Hello, besties. Welcome to another slow day in my little Bedsitter, where cozy mornings, calm vibes, and soft living unfold. If you're new here, welcome. Subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to share. For returning subscribers, you know the drill. And thank you for always supporting me. Woke up to a quiet morning in my tiny little space. Soft light peeked through the curtains as I opened the window, letting in fresh air and a little calm. I made my bed slowly, gently, fluffed my pillow, smoothed the covers, then played a calming nature documentary in the background. I just to set the vibe right for the day. Nature is the best. After making sure I've killed them germs, I went to my little corner of the kitchen to make me some breakfast. While the eggs were boiling, I folded some clean clothes from earlier this week. Simple moments like this make my bed sitter feel like home. My eggs were done, so I started on chopping some cherry tomatoes and fresh capsicum to go with the eggs. Poured myself a glass of green smoothie and sat down for a slow, peaceful breakfast. Come, let's devour together. It's yummy. I never knew capsicum can be this good. Yo, okay. Anyway, capsicum is good. It goes well with cherry tomatoes, a bit of lemon, and eggs. It's very, very nice and healthy. Later on, after baptizing my plants, I grabbed my Bible and journal, wrote down some gentle manifestations and morning thoughts, a little time with God and myself. This makes me feel grounded always. After the great time of journaling, I pressed my hair because my salonist was coming by later to plait my hair. Mr. Yasivi, eh? To show off the forehead. I always look forward to those quiet hair days, soft music, chats, and the magic of transformation. Later on, I got creative. I DIYed a cute little toilet paper holder for my bathroom. It may be a small space, but every corner reflects me, soft, simple, and loved. Thanks for spending the day with me. If you felt calm, cozy, or inspired, don't forget to hit that button, like, comment, and join this little soft life journey. See you in the next one.